Hi, my name is Kendra from freelancerexchange.com. I will be with you to introduce most presentations of this video series. This first video, the quick introduction, is for those of you in a hurry. It might be because you need to have a website live quickly, at least a coming soon page, or a WordPress site, or minimally your email for your new domain name. So, here is Justin to quickly take you over what you need to do to be up and running now.
Thank you, Kendra. Hi and welcome. Here we go. Most of you will be able to enter your web hosting service and access cPanel by typing your domain name /cPanel, just like this. If you can't, it can be because your domain name is not live yet, or your web hosting company is giving a different path to reach it. You will have to check your emails when you order web hosting, or you can check their website support section. It usually has an FAQ, or a knowledge database, that will show you how to access cPanel with them. But for most of you the domain name /cPanel will work just fine. Now, assuming that you are at this panel, it will request your username and password. That should be in your welcoming email for web hosting. I will enter mine. Now you see the cPanel interface where you can access everything. Each section will be covered in the training. But for now, here is what I suggest you do if you are in a hurry. First, go down to the email section. Set up your main email just like this. Enter the first one you want to create, like this. And that's it. Here you see it has been created. You might want to create a couples more like info, help, contact us, etc. Since you don't have traffic yet, I suggest you just create these emails with a redirection to your main email. You can later create a separated email for each one. So, click on forwarders and proceed just like this. When finished, if you need to create a WordPress website, scroll down to the one-click WordPress installer below. Click here. As you can see, there is one button to install WordPress. Now you will be brought to the software setup page. It will offer to choose the version. By default it will install the latest. The protocol, HTTPS, is the secure version. It should be okay. If it refused to do it, this is because your site is not secured yet on your server. You can choose HTTP for now and change it to HTTPS later. When you have more than one domain name on a server, it will let you choose which one you want to install WordPress on. If you want your WordPress site to be directly on your domain name, remove WP. Regarding site settings, you can change it now, or you will be able to do the same within WordPress. Choose your admin name and password, change admin for something else. A lot of new sites are keeping admin as the main username, which makes it very easy for hackers. The same with your password, don't make it too easy. It can be generated by clicking on this icon. Enter your admin email you are planning to use. I enter the same I define as my main email. Skip everything else and go to install. You can send yourself the details you entered above. Click install. It will take a few minutes. You now see your site address and the login page to access WordPress. Here is the site and here is the login page. If I enter my ID and password, as you can see, you are ready to go. Now if I come back to the main interface, here, on the top right where it says CP. Or I can go back to Overview, and I will see my current installation of WordPress. Now, maybe you just wanted to create a coming soon page, and you are not ready to install WordPress, or something else you are planning. Here is what you can do in cPanel. Now first I will remove WordPress. Here we go. As you can see, it is now removed. So if we go back to the main menu, and we just want to set up a coming soon page, let's suppose we have set up our emails. The next step would be to go to the File Manager. Click File Manager and you will find yourself in your site with a list of folders, just like you would have when you are looking at your directory in your Mac or PC. This will be covered in the training videos. For now, you have to know that your pages that will show up on the internet are in the public HTML folder. So we can click on that folder, here or here. And as you can expect, there isn't much there. If we had kept WordPress, you would have seen all the WordPress files and pages here. Now within cPanel we can create a page. Click on the plus file to add a page. Name that file index.html. Index is the most common name for the main page. But you can type what you want for now. Then click on index.html to select that page. Only once. If you double-click it will download the page on your PC. It is not a problem, but this is not what we want to do. When it is selected and it changed color like here, go up to HTML editor. There is a warning panel. Go ahead and click on Edit. Now your index page is opened in a new tab. You can familiarize yourself with all the icons there, but it basically works just like Word. Let's type coming soon. Increase the size. And that's it. Save. You're done. Let's have a look. Here you are. If we go back, you can do something more elaborated if you want to. That's up to you. When you are done, simply close that page after you have saved it. If you want to return to the main menu, click on CP. That's it. As simple as that. In summary, I suggested you created your main email, and a few more if you want. Then, set up WordPress or a simple page. That's all you need to do to be live and be able to receive or send email. Now, if you want to know how to see the emails you receive directly on the internet, like you would with Hotmail, watch the video on Create an Email Account. Starting at the first minute into that video, it explains how to visualize your emails on the web. I hope you can now start quickly. There is much more you can do with cPanel. I will see you in the next video.
Thank you, Justin. I hope it helped you to move quickly. Feel free to come back and learn everything there is to learn about cPanel. Thank you for watching. See you soon.